we get a windstorm up here, we also get a plastic storm everywhere. You can see it everywhere. Plastic straws and bags and candy wrappers. Bits and pieces of plastic bags and food wrappers, cellophanes, Ziploc baggies, drink cups, and it's along the whole shore, and it's so far up in here, and it's all under the drift. This is where your plastic goes, everyone. This is where your plastic goes. If you don't use plastic on land, it'll never make it to the shore. My wildlife lives here. This is their home. And it's choking. It's just choking in plastic. Look at this. All these little bits, pieces of plastic. And if you move the drift, you have more and more and more. This is what 20th century progress has done. It has turned our world to trash.